In this video, we will talk about SQL like operator. So like operator is used along with the where clause, and also we make use of wildcard characters with it. So it is used to find out the records in which one or more columns match with a particular pattern. In other words, we make use of the like operator for pattern based searching in the database table records. So I'll show the usage of this operator with the help of some examples. Okay. So let's say I want to find out all of the database table records in which the column first underscore name has the values starting with G. Okay, starting with the letter. As you can see, we have different names and each of the names starts with a different letter, right? But I want to find out all of the employee records in which first name starts with the letter G. So that I can do with the help of like operator. So for that, I will just edit the query. I will do select star from employees where. So here after writing the where clause, I have to specify the column name, that is first name. Okay. And then I have to specify the like keyword, and then I have to specify the pattern within quotes. Okay. So I want all of the records in which the value of the first underscore name column starts with G. So here in the pattern, I will write G and then a percentage wildcard character. So this pattern will match all of the strings that starts with G, and after G there could be anything, right? There could be simply any character, any letter, any word. Okay, so that's what percentage wildcat character here mean. So this will match the first underscore name column values that start with G. Okay, so let me just run this query. So as you can see, it fetched 16,489 records. That means there are 16,489 records in the employees table in which first underscore name starts with G. Okay, so you can see all of the name starts with G only in the first name column. Okay, so now I want to find out the column in which the last character of the first name is G. So here to specify just anything, I can write percentage, and then at the end I can specify the letter G. Here case doesn't matter. It could be uppercase, it could be lowercase. So it is case insensitive. Okay, so I'll just run this. I'll click on the go button. And here you can see all of the first underscore name column values that are fetched here ends with G. Okay, so you can see. So there are around 18,742 records in this table in which the value of first underscore name ends with the letter G. So now I want to find out all of the records in which the value first underscore name contains the word ET in it. Okay, so that I can do like this: percentage ET percentage. Okay, so using this, I will find out all of the records in which the column value first underscore name contains the word ET within it. Okay, there could be anything on the left hand side, there could be anything on the right hand side. It's just that in between somewhere there should be the word ET. So let's just run this. So you see, we get around 5,273 records in which the word ET is there. Here you can see the word ET is here. Here you can see the word ET. Here you can see the word ET. So this way you can fetch all of such records. Now I want to fetch all of those records in which the value of the first underscore name column contains the letter A on the third position. So to specify a particular position, we use underscore character here. Okay, so this underscore specifies the first position, could be anything. This character again specifies the second position, could be anything. And here I want the third character to be A. Okay, and then I can simply write percentage symbol to just specify any character. So this query will fetch all of the records in which the column value first underscore name contains A at the third position. Okay, so I will just run this query. Now in the fetched records, you can see the values of the first underscore name column all contains A at the third position. You can also modify it like this. So here it will fetch all of the records that contains A at the third and fifth positions. So I will run this. So you can see A at the third and fifth position records. Now this pattern specifies that we have to fetch all of the records in which first underscore name column has the value that starts with B, and there are exactly 4 characters in it. Okay, so here we have specified 3 wildcard characters and that are underscore. So 3 underscores here I have typed, and the first character is B. So it will fetch all of the records in which this column contains exactly 4 letters and the first letter is B. So I will run this query. So you can see all of the first name contains only 4 letters and the first letter is B. And similarly, here I can write percentage symbol. So this means there are at least 4 characters and then there could be any characters. Okay. So you see the first letter is B and there are at least 4 characters in all of the first underscore name column values. Okay, so here I have typed D. So it will fetch all of the records in which first underscore name column starts with B, ends with D, and there are exactly 3 characters in between. Characters could be anything, but there are exactly 3 characters in between. So I will run this one. So you can see only I think one name is there. There could be more. So only burned name is there in this database table. So multiple times it has been used because it is a dummy table, right? I will edit this one and let me write A here and G here. Okay, then percentage symbol is between. So this specifies all of the names that starts with A and ends with G, and in between there could be any number of characters or simply any character. Okay, so I will run this one. So you can see first character is A, last character is G. So simply remember that percentage and underscore both are used to define any character. Just the difference is that percentage symbol defines any number of characters and underscore symbol defines one character at a time. Again, the character could be anything. Okay, and you can manually write the exact character that you want at a particular position. Okay, so that's all about the like operator in SQL.